I have been using 12D maybe a year and a half, and I taught myself, and I love it. I learned a lot from tutorials and spent about 6 months teaching myself before I did a course with EXDS, and did a couple of courses with them and learnt a lot from that. Personally, I love visualisation, so I used it a lot for wind farm projects, so we were able to plot out the turbines and then optimise the area and put in the roads, and it was great to fly through and see that all in a visual.
It was very, I suppose, it went from being a bit code-based now to being so user-friendly. With I always say there's probably about 5 or 6 different ways you can do things in 12D to design a road or piece of infrastructure. So yeah, it's really become way more user-friendly. Probably the biggest benefit is that the way it interfaces with survey to design, back to survey for construction set-out, and now with the BIM capabilities, it's fantastic. Yeah, visualisation's always been there, which is tremendous, in being able to show our clients what we're doing at an early concept stage before we go into the details.
How would you say that 12D model changes how you do business?
I think it just allows you different or flexible ways of designing. There are the old sort of regimented traditional ways of doing things, but there's just with all the different computators, snippets, just the many different elements within 12D.
What I've always liked about 12D is the simplicity. I've got a job to do, and I'll look for a nice, I guess the easiest way to get that job done, and that's where 12D's been great. Learning new things and new ways to do things easier. So probably no one feature, but it's just nice to, I guess, just see how others are picking up different things and see how you can implement that to help yourself out.
We're a lot more innovative about what we do. It's really hard to say because 12D is so integrated into our job that, and the way 12D have worked with us, it's just sort of grown together. So it's very hard to say which has changed which.
We've taken on 12D model and 12D field since around about 2013 we took on 12D field, and to my knowledge it's really the best software for surveyors to be able to set out from in the field and also get the information back to return to quality or design work or what have you. So yes, I definitely recommend it.
12D is integral to everything we do. So it's used for our drainage, it's used for our roads, it's used for our visualisation, it's used for some of our production outputs for CAD, etc. Yeah, so it influences everything we do every day.